Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I want all my students to recite Bismillah so we can start our today's lecture. I warmly welcome you to the class of science. Today we are going to have the revision of one of our chapter. Right? You know that this is your science teacher, Ms. Zunaira, and the chapter which we are going to revise today is investigating matter. That is according to your choice because I asked you guys that you can tell me the name of the chapter in which you are having the confusion so we can have the revision of that particular chapter. Right, so investigating matter is the chapter number 4 of our final term and it is on page number 56. Right, so first of all what we are supposed to consider, we should see the title of this chapter. The title of the chapter tells us many of the things. Okay, so investigating means to know, to investigate, to just explore the things, and the thing on which for which we are going to learn in this chapter is the matter. Matter is everything. We are starting from the simplest definition of the matter. Matter is everything around us. Now I'm saying that everything around us, so here are some of the things. ठीक है, इसको repeat करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो one by one खुद ही आगे आ जाएंगी. Yes, so I told you that the simplest definition of the matter is everything we see around us is the matter. Okay, why? Because of two things. We should know that matter is having two conditions. If these two conditions are there for any object, that object is going to be matter. And these two conditions are: number one, anything that occupies space. Anything that occupies space. Point number two is that should have the weight, that should have the mass. Mass or weight is the same thing, right? Wazn. If anything is having the weight and it is occupying the space, so it is going to be the matter. Okay, so this should be very simple. Now you will not find a single thing around you which is not occupying the space, which is not having the weight. Even the gases in our environment, in the air, is also having the weight. Their weight is very less, but weight is there, right? So there are three states of matter. That is simple. ठीक है, इसको हम बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं. Now here you can see a guy who is sitting and enjoying his time playing on laptop, and his wearing the glass, butterflies there, coffee, desk, chair, plant, cat, clouds, sun. Inside the room and outside the room, all the things are matter, because all the things are having these two conditions which are important for a matter to be called as matter. And these two conditions are having mass, having weight, and occupying space. Right, now Vaji, you have asked me a question that what are the matters made up of. In your book there is a heading that on what thing the matter is made up of. मैटर बने किस चीज से. So let's talk about our body. Our body is made up of cells. Okay, our body is having the bones, the muscles, the organs, and many of the things, but all these things are made of these things are made of cells. So, likewise, we say that the cells are the building blocks of the body. Likewise, atoms are the building blocks of the matter. ठीक है? If there is a wall, so that wall is made up of bricks. Okay? So, likewise, your matter is made up of atoms. Many of the atoms combine together and they make matter, right? So it is everything we encounter every day, everything we encounter on daily basis, that is matter. Okay, and here we are talking about the atom. Atom is the smallest particle of the matter. For example, if you're having a chalk And if you break it down into two halves, you can further break it into 4, then into 8, then into 16, then you can make several of the pieces. A time would come that you will have the smallest particle which can never be broken further. इतना छोटा उसको कर लेना जिससे हम उसको फर्दर ब्रेक नहीं कर पाए, because that is already smallest. We cannot make the small of the smallest. So that smallest particle is the atom. That smallest particle is the atom. Okay, now many of the students get confused in molecule and atom. So beta, it is nothing but when two atoms combine together, they form a molecule. What do they form? They form a molecule. Now on the left side, you can see the atoms. On the right side, you can see the molecules. The smallest particle of an element is called atom, and the smallest particle of the compound is called molecule. अच्छा, इस चीज़ को हम बाद में भी अभी थोड़ी आगे जाके डिस्कस करेंगे. यहाँ पे what we should remember that when, now see, these are the circles, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 circles are here, right? And all these circles are single. Why these are single? Because these are the smallest particle. If we break it down, it would become half. It would not become full atom. But when we just add one more atom with it, two more atom with it, it can be the molecule. What is the molecule? Molecule is nothing. It is same as the atom. But atom is, you can see that it is a single particle, and these single particles can combine together to make the bigger particle, which is called as molecule. Molecule when two atoms, now here you can see 1 and 2, when 2 plus, when 2 and more atoms, when 2 or more atoms. It is not important that always there would be two atoms for the molecule. No, there would be two, there would be 2 million, there would be 200. Okay, it depends on the kind of compound and the element. ठीक है, वो उस पर depend करता है. But don't think that only two atoms combine and they form the molecule. No, there can be 3, there can be 4, there can be 5, there can be 100, right? So here you can see the example of 2, you can see the example of 3, you can see the example of 4. 1 2 3 4, these 4 atoms combine together to form the molecule. This is the molecule which is having two atoms, this is the molecule which is having two atoms, this is the molecule which is having three atoms. Okay, now अच्छा, एक tricky question मैं आपसे यहाँ पर पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है? Now tell me that this one, the yellow one, will it be called as element or compound? Let me know in the chat box. मुझे chat box में भी फौरन बताइए कि आपको क्या लगता है. Now tell me in the chat box that this yellow one, is it a compound or element? ये compound है या element है? Yellow वाला. Come on. Let me see that how many of you remember the definition of element and compound. Very good, Iraj. Hafsa, your answer is wrong. Very good, Maz. Very good. Very good. No, Ali bin Salman, you have given me the wrong answer. No. Beta, don't tell me that this is molecule. Of course it is a molecule. I know that this is a molecule because when there is two or more atoms, so that is molecule. Okay, so molecule तो ये है, but molecule can be element, molecule can be compound. So tell me that this one is an element or compound. Very good, Barira. No, beta, who got online with the name of Alina? Aneeb, yes, Aneeb Farooq is there. Aneeb, beta, no, your answer is wrong. Yes, Barira, you're right. Acha ji. Barira has told me the answer, which is element, and she has told me the reason as well. So I want students to please be alert. Okay. Now see, it is an element. Molecule to hai, but I told you that molecule can be atom. Sorry, molecule can be compound. Molecule can be element as well. Now it should be this yellow one should be element or compound. This must be element. Let's recall the definition of element. When two or more same kind of atoms, same kind. This is important. In element, all the atoms are of same kind. All the atoms are of same kind. That is why they are called as element. Okay, so here you can see that these are same in color, these are same in size, so this molecule will be falling in the category of element, not the compound. On the other hand, if I ask for this one, 1 2 3 4 एटम्स आर देयर. ठीक है, अब एक से ज्यादा एटम है तो मॉलिक्यूल तो ये है ही है, बट मॉलिक्यूल कैन बी एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड बोथ. नाउ दिस वन should be element or compound, on which I have kept my arrow. It should be element or compound. Now you can see that there is one atom which is red and there are three atoms which are blue. It should be element or compound. Beta Vaji, you need to check your gadget. You need to check your gadget. I am speaking louder and students are getting my voice. Hafsa, now this time you're right. Good, Arham. Good, Mas. Very good. So this molecule, ये मत समझना कि ये मॉलिक्यूल अब एटम हो गया. नो, ये मॉलिक्यूल मॉलिक्यूल है अभी भी. But if we categorize it either in the category of element or compound, so it is going to be compound. No, Barira, this time you're wrong. This is compound. Why this is compound? Because we can see that how many atoms are there? 1 2 3 and 4. But these four atoms are not equal. These four atoms are not same at all. And we know that when different atoms combine together, they form compound. When different atoms combine together, they form compound. When same atoms combine together, they form element. Okay, so first of all you need to know the definition of atom and molecule. That is simple. Okay, that is simple. Atom, smallest particle. Molecule, when more than one atom combine together, they can be two, they can be four, they can be 100. Okay, so they will be molecule. Acha, why do we say, wait, now here we are talking about the element. यहाँ पर हम element की बात करते हैं. तो let's see. Okay, you were talking about the oxygen molecule. Barira, you are asking me for the oxygen molecule, okay, right? So here you can see the oxygen molecule in front of you. Okay, so if I ask you to draw oxygen molecule, so oxygen molecule will be made like this, the same as we make the molecule of nitrogen. Why these? Now you can see the elements and compounds. In elements, these are same, these are same. But when we go to the compound, जब हम compound को देखते हैं, we find different atoms combined with each other. Okay, यहाँ पे नीचे लिखा हुआ भी है 2 hydrogen atoms bonding with 1 oxygen atom. They are bonding with 1 oxygen atom. Yes, Vaji, water is a compound. Why? Because the water molecule is having two hydrogen atoms. ये जो basically आपके पास compound में बना हुआ है, that is hydrogen atom, that is water molecule. ठीक है, तो ये किसकी कैटेगरी में आता है? That is in the category of compound. Why? Because two hydrogen atoms are there, they are bonding with one oxygen. एक मिनट, यहाँ पे शायद ये देखें, this picture I have taken from your book. So here you can see the example very carefully. Example of some common elements. These all are the elements: oxygen, hydrogen, iron, gold, aluminium, carbon, silver, copper, right? And all these things are compound. That includes water as well, okay? So water and carbon dioxide. These two are the things which are normally asked for being identified either as element or compound. ठीक है, तो ये दो चीज़ें बहुत पूछी जाती हैं, especially water and carbon dioxide. Okay, so you must know. Okay, let me write their formula. Just wait. Scientifically, how do we write it? मैं भी आप लोगों को लिख कर बताती हूँ. H2O is the uh, formula for water. So here what you can see that H2, it means two oxygen are there and two hydrogen are there and one oxygen is there. Now hydrogen is different and oxygen is different. So what we got to know in compound, we got to know that when two or more different types of atoms, different types of hydrogen different है, oxygen different है, when different types of atoms combine together they form compound, not element. ठीक है, but when we write oxygen, that is only O, that is only oxygen. We have not bonded some other atom with it. ठीक है, तो जब तक इनके साथ कोई दूसरा एटम कंबाइन नहीं हो जाता ये सेम रहेंगे और ये एलिमेंट कहलाएंगे. फिर चाहे इसके एटम एक हो या 50 हो या 5 मिलियन हो या कितने भी हों, बट इफ दे आर ऑफ सेम काइंड दे विल रिमेन एलिमेंट. If they are of different types, they will remain compound, right? Okay, just wait. I'm gonna unmute you. Yes, Vaji.
Miss, I have a question in investigating matter. There is a reason that in all elements atom exists in pairs. I can't understand it. So can you please explain me
Repeat.
that what is the answer and
Repeat the reason. Reason की statement repeat.
in all elements atom exists in pairs.
In all elements, atom exist in the pair. इट इज नॉट सो. ठीक है, इसका आंसर भी हमने नो ही लिखा है. ठीक है, what
Okay.
happens, I'm just telling you the answer, this is really interesting. Actually this question has its own depth. इसकी एक डेप्थ है जो शायद अभी आप लोग ठीक से ना समझ सकें, बट मैं आपको इसका थोड़ा सा हवाला जरूर दूंगी यहाँ पे. Just wait, I'm trying to write here. Okay beta, so we were talking about, if I tell you that what is the formula of oxygen that we inhale. अच्छा, वजी, can you please tell me that how do we show oxygen? हम क्या कौन सा अल्फाबेट लिखकर ऑक्सीजन को शो करते हैं?
मिस टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
बेटा हाउ
मिस
डू वी शो ऑक्सीजन? ऑक्सीजन के लिए हम कौन सा अल्फाबेट यूज करते हैं? जैसे यहाँ पर मैंने H हाइड्रोजन को शो कर रहा है, इस तरीके से ऑक्सीजन को क्या शो करेगा?
ओ
ओ, ठीक है। नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑक्सीजन दैट वी इनहेल। हम यहाँ पे उस ऑक्सीजन की बात कर रहे हैं जो हम इनहेल करते हैं। डू यू नो दैट दिस ऑक्सीजन दिस ऑक्सीजन एटम, जो ऑक्सीजन हम इनहेल कर रहे हैं फॉर द रेस्पिरेशन, फॉर द ब्रीदिंग, that is always in the form of molecule, not in the form of atom. That is H, that is O2। यानी कि जो ऑक्सीजन हम इनहेल कर रहे हैं, हम ऑक्सीजन के एटम्स को इनहेल नहीं कर रहे, वी आर इनहेलिंग द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। Why? Because especially the gases like nitrogen gas, the helium gas, the oxygen gas, especially क्या होता है, gases जो होती है वो डायटोमिक फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करती है। नेचर में ऐसा है, ठीक है, नेचुरली ऐसा होता है कि कुछ एटम्स ऐसे होते हैं कि वो सिंगल नहीं रहते, वो बॉन्डिंग कर लेते, दे बिकम टू,
ओके
राइट। बट यहाँ पे आपका रीजन पूछा गया है कि क्या तमाम एलिमेंट्स डाई एटॉमिक फॉर्म में और पेयर में रहते हैं? तो इसका आंसर है नहीं। बहुत सारे एटम्स ऐसे हैं जो कि सिंगल भी रहते हैं, बट बहुत सारे एटम्स ऐसे हैं जो पेयर्स में रहते हैं। तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे बेस्ट एग्जांपल, वी आर हैविंग द बेस्ट एग्जांपल हियर एज ऑक्सीजन, बिकॉज वी इनहेल इट। दिस इज द गैस दैट वी इनहेल। ये वो गैस है जो हम इनहेल करते हैं। तो हमें पता होना चाहिए, if someone asks you to write down the formula of oxygen and you just write O, that is not correct, because the oxygen that we inhale is O2. The oxygen that we inhale is O2. That is
ओ टू
always, that is always O2. Why? Because oxygen is a kind of gas which is unstable in single form. अगर वो एटॉमिक फॉर्म में है तो वो अनस्टेबल है। सो फॉर बीइंग फॉर ब्रिंग द स्टेबिलिटी, इट जस्ट मेक्स बॉन्ड विद अनदर एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। फिर क्या करते हैं, दो एटम ऑक्सीजन के करीब आते हैं और आपस में बॉन्ड बना लेते हैं। फिर वो सिंगल ओ से क्या हो जाते हैं, O2, डबल ओ हो जाते हैं, ठीक है। बट इट इज नॉट द केस फॉर एवरी एलिमेंट। दिस इज नॉट द केस ऑफ every element, but mostly in the gases। यहाँ पे हम दूसरी एग्जांपल किसकी ले सकते हैं? N से हम किसको शो कर सकते हैं? If we are showing oxygen with O, with N, कौन सी गैस हम शो कर सकते हैं? Can please anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me that? Yes, Mohammed Ayan, very
मिस
good.
कैन यू से अगेन मिस
Okay, I've said that if we show oxygen with O, right? So, with the help of N, what element we are showing? That is nitrogen. Okay, so
नाइट्रोजन
is also a gas, so it is also existing in N2, it means it is also
टू
existing
पेयर्स
in pair।
टू
क्यों?
पेयर्स
ज्यादातर, अच्छा तमाम गैसेस भी नहीं, ऐसा भी जरूरी नहीं कि तमाम गैसेस, ठीक है। मोस्ट ऑफ द गैसेस इनर एलिमेंट्स, ठीक है। अब आयरन तो गैस नहीं है ना, गोल्ड तो गैस नहीं है, ठीक है,
नो
एल्यूमिनियम तो गैस नहीं है, सिल्वर तो नहीं है, कॉपर तो नहीं है। सो नॉट ऑल द एलिमेंट्स बट मोस्टली द गैसेस exist in pair for their stability, okay, because they just become less stable when they are in atomic form, so they make themselves as a molecule, ठीक है। वो मॉलिक्यूल में ज़्यादा स्टेबल हैं कंपैरेटिवली एटॉमिक फॉर्म के। तो वो अपने एटॉमिक फॉर्म को किस में ले जाते हैं, अपनी एटॉमिक फॉर्म को ले जाते हैं मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्म में, सो दे कैन बी मोर स्टेबल इन द इन्वायरमेंट। इज दैट क्लियर वजी?
यस मिस
ताहा, आपका क्वेश्चन तो इंटरेस्टिंग है, बट आई एम नॉट सपोज टू आंसर इट हियर, that from which university I've got my graduation. I'll tell you someday, okay? So yes, so here we are talking about um, element and compound. So here I have given you the reason of your reason. of that statement that mostly the elements exist in pair form. So beta, not all the elements exist in pair form, but mostly the elements which are existing in the gaseous form, which are gas, like nitrogen, like hydrogen, like oxygen, they usually exist in pair form, in molecular form, right? So यहाँ पर जो चीज़ें हैं वो तो हैं ही molecular form में, ठीक है, तो इनको तो broken down करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Is there any question? Is there any question? Anyone? If you are having any questions, so you can ask me. Let me remove all this thing. Hmm. Okay, so solid, liquid, gas, we have learned about it several of the times. No, beta, the formula for the hydrogen is H2, right? Barira, hydrogen formula is H2. वहाँ पर मैं आपको नाइट्रोजन का बता रही थी, हाइड्रोजन का नहीं बता रही थी, ठीक है? Because with the help of N we are showing nitrogen, with the help of H we are showing hydrogen. Okay, another question is there that, Miss, what is the smallest particle of the chalk? What is the smallest particle of the chalk? Should it be the molecule and or atom? Okay, atom can be the smallest particle and molecule can be the smallest particle. Now here someone is asking me about the chalk. Here is written, you can see that chalk comes in the category of compound. Chalk comes in the category of compound. ठीक है? And the smallest particle of the compound is molecule. Just remember this thing. This is very important. This is very important, guys. The smallest particle of compound is molecule. The smallest particle of element is atom. Right? The smallest particle of this, the smallest particle of element is the atom, right? And the smallest particle of compound is the molecule. So you need to just remember, you need to just memorize this, that the smallest particle of the element is atom, the smallest particle of the compound is molecule. Okay, we are having less than 1 minute. Your meeting can be ended anytime. So if you're having more queries, so you can ask me in the next class, okay? Or if there is something which is urgent you want to ask, so you can ask me on the Google Classroom as well, okay? So you guys should okay, I'm repeating. The smallest particle of the element is the atom. The smallest particle of compound is the molecule. ठीक है?